Hey, this is Ari, and in this video, I wanted to share with you a little clip from a recent podcast I did with Anne-Louise Gittleman on keys to radical longevity. She has a very, very unique take on things and some very interesting novel strategies that she's recommending for disease prevention and longevity. So check out the clip, and down below in the description is a link to the full-length podcast, which I also recommend checking out. Enjoy. Let's talk about ages. So what are some of well, you actually covered this, I think, for the most part in your recommendations on cooking. Not high and dry, but low temperature and
Wet is better. Wet
wet.
is so much better. And now that I'm now looking at new research, the only kind of pots and pans that I recommend to everybody is stainless steel. There's a brand, I'm going to just throw out the brands because you can't find this elsewhere. You can't find these easily. It's the Salad Master, which is a high gauge stainless steel, no nickel in the ingredients, high gauge stainless steel, and you're cooking in a vacuum seal of 180 degrees so that you're not destroying enzymes. Right now, we're doing high heat cooking that is destroying all the precious enzymes that are cofactors of all the minerals. So I like low, wet, moisture cooking. I like to steam. I like to saute. I like to use soups. I like slow cookers, and I like slow cookers that are cooked in the Ramertopf, which is a clay kind of pot and pan that's covered with a glaze that's made from glass so that the clay does not leach into the food the way the cast iron can leach into the food, the way the aluminum can leach into the food, and the way the copper can leach into the food.
Mm-hmm. Got it. What was the name of the brand that you recommended for stainless steel pots and pans?
Salad Master.
Salad Master?
It's called Salad Master, yes.
Okay, got it. And for people who might not have caught it, so what are ages? What are advanced glycation end products? And
They're toxic waste
what?
substances. They're waste substances that the body metabolically makes and that are inherently contained in altered proteins and fats from animal foods particularly. Some of the high ages foods are the ones that are so popular in the ketogenic diets. I'm talking about bacon. Cheese is exceedingly high in ages, as well as butter. So I use those very rarely in my eating routine and don't recommend them in the book.
Hey, this is Ari, and if you enjoyed this little clip, I highly recommend checking out the full-length podcast by clicking the link down below this video in the description. Check it out. You're going to learn a ton more valuable information. Also, as always, I want to mention at the Energy Blueprint, we offer a ton of solutions to help you increase your energy. And as a side effect, help you prevent disease, dramatically improve your brain function, your mood, combating anxiety and depression, increasing your resilience to stress, and increasing your longevity. All nice bonuses to strategies designed to massively increase your mitochondrial function and your energy levels. And we've got a whole suite of products, online info products that guide you on strategies to optimize your lifestyle and nutrition habits. We've got an Eat for Energy course. We've got a brain course. We've got an advanced fat loss strategies course. We've got a breathing for energy course, which I highly, highly recommend. People just absolutely rave about that one in particular. And we've got a whole suite of supplements, mitochondrial formula, a brain formula, energy essentials and superfoods, which is our comprehensive multivitamin and multimineral and superfoods formula, and much, much more, actually. We've got, as of this moment in time, depending on when you're watching this, but as of this moment I'm recording it, I've got an amazing new anti-aging longevity formula on the way and an incredible new sleep formula that will be coming out in the next few weeks. Thank you for watching this. Again, full length link to the full length podcast is down below. And check out theenergyblueprint.com for our whole suite of products that can help you dramatically transform your energy levels. Talk to you soon.